Welcome to this tutorial on Keep the Change Bank of America 2025. Keep the Change is a savings program designed to help customers build their savings over time. The program is simple. When you make a purchase with your Bank of America debit card, the amount is rounded up to the nearest dollar and the change is transferred into your savings account. To get started, you need to have a Bank of America checking account and a savings account. You can enroll in the Keep the Change program online or through the Bank of America mobile app. Once you are enrolled, every time you make a purchase with your debit card, the rounded up amount will be transferred into your savings account. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, 50 cents will be transferred into your savings account. This may seem like a small amount, but over time it can add up to a significant amount of savings. The program is a great way to build your savings without having to think about it, as the transfers are automatic. One of the key benefits of the Keep the Change program is that it helps you develop a savings habit. By saving a small amount regularly, you can build a safety net and achieve your long-term financial goals. The program is also a great way to teach children the importance of saving, as it helps them understand the value of money and the benefits of saving. To get the most out of the Keep the Change program, it is essential to monitor your accounts regularly and make sure you have sufficient funds in your checking account to cover the transfers. You should also consider setting up overdraft protection to avoid any overdraft fees. In conclusion, the Keep the Change Bank of America 2025 program is a simple and effective way to build your savings over time. By enrolling in the program and using your debit card for everyday purchases, you can develop a savings habit and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to monitor your accounts regularly and set up overdraft protection to get the most out of the program.